When considering CloudTax for managing your sales tax, here are 12 key things you need to know before buying. CloudTax is a strong contender in the market, but it's important to compare it to competitors and understand where it shines and where it may fall short. The first thing to note is CloudTax's ease of use. Unlike some sales tax software options, CloudTax has a user-friendly interface, making it simple to set up and manage. Whether you're a small business owner or a larger enterprise, you don't need extensive technical knowledge to get started. Next thing to consider is its automation capabilities. CloudTax automates most of the sales tax calculation process, which can save you time and reduce errors. But be mindful that some competitors offer more robust automation for complex tax scenarios. So if your business operates in multiple states or countries, that's something to weigh. The third thing to know is that CloudTax supports a wide range of industries. Whether you're in e-commerce, retail, or professional services, it caters to most sectors. However, if your business operates in a niche area with unique tax requirements, you might find some competitors offering more specialized support. The fourth thing is CloudTax's integration options. It connects easily with popular platforms like Shopify and QuickBooks, which is great for streamlining your processes. But if your business uses less common software, some competitors might offer broader integration capabilities. Next up is pricing. CloudTax offers competitive pricing with a clear pay-as-you-go model, which can work well for businesses that need flexibility. However, when compared to other tools, CloudTax doesn't have as many tiered pricing options, so if you're looking for a highly customized plan, it might not be the best fit. The sixth thing to keep in mind is CloudTax's reporting capabilities. While it does offer standard reports, it doesn't have the same depth of analysis as some of the higher-end competitors. If you need detailed insights into your sales tax data, you might want to look into other software options. The seventh thing is CloudTax's accuracy. It does a solid job at calculating sales tax, but it's not perfect. Some users report occasional errors in specific states or cities. Competitors like Avalara offer more precise real-time updates, making them a stronger choice for businesses with intricate tax needs. The eighth thing is CloudTax's customer support. It provides email and phone support, but it doesn't have the same 24/7 availability as some competitors. If timely support is critical for your business, you might find that services like TaxJar offer better customer service response times. Ninth, CloudTax has strong compliance features, ensuring your business stays up to date with ever-changing tax laws. However, some competing software, like Vertex, offers more advanced compliance tracking and updates, which can be crucial if you're dealing with complex tax jurisdictions. The 10th thing is scalability. CloudTax is perfect for smaller businesses, but as you grow, you might find that it lacks the scalability offered by larger competitors like Avalara or Sovos. They offer more comprehensive solutions for businesses expanding into new regions or markets. The 11th thing to consider is how CloudTax handles audits. It offers basic audit support, but it doesn't come close to the extensive audit assistance provided by some competitors. If you're concerned about audits and need detailed support, you might want to explore alternatives like salestax.com. Lastly, CloudTax offers a free trial, so you can test out its features before committing. This is a big plus, but if you're looking for a more customizable, feature-rich experience, you may want to consider some of the other top competitors. In conclusion, CloudTax is a solid option for businesses looking for straightforward sales tax management. However, if you're after more advanced features, better customer support, or scalability, you might want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.